Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very quick DIY. We are going to make an amazing storage piece for your craft paints. Now, all you are going to need for this project is this paper towel holder from Dollar Tree, 4 of their napkin holders, and some zip ties. And that is it. Now, I cannot take credit for this DIY. This came from the channel Home Talk, and I will link that video in the description box of this one. And I loved it so much. I said, I have so many subscribers that are crafters that I just had to share this with you all. So let's get started. All right, let me turn this down so you can see what I'm doing, hopefully. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to take one of the napkin holders sideways like this on this side and another one on this side. Then what we are going to do is we are going to take zip ties and we are going to zip tie both of these together along the center post. So let me show you. I'm going to turn it this way so I can see what I'm doing. Hopefully we'll get her done. All right, let me slide this through here and then through here. This is like so easy, it's like pathetic. It really is, guys. All right. All right. Okay. All right, there's one side. You see what I did, guys? I just zip tied them to that center post. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. I only had black zip ties, so I gotta work with, with what I had, but who cares? Nobody's gonna pay attention to that anyways when they see how amazing this is. All right, so I'm gonna cut off the ends of the zip ties. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm gonna zip tie the top to the posts as well, okay? Oh, that is a broken zip tie. That's not gonna work. So let me show you again how I did this. I'm just going around this center post and then catching the two ends of the napkin holder. I got it the wrong way. I got to spin it. There we go. I'll tighten that a little bit more after I get the other side done. Okay, now you can see close up how I zip tied those. Now we're going to do this side. And then cut off the excess. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing to these here. Same exact thing. So give me a zip tie. Make sure I got it the right way, and we are going to come down here on the bottom of the top two. Stand up there, sir. I'll get it. Once I get it tightened, it'll pull right up. If I can get that in there. There we go. All right. There we go. Okay, now we're going to turn it around and do the bottom of the other side. This is so easy, guys. You are going to love this. Wait till you see. Okay, I'll cut those off after I do the rest of this. Let me just move this up a little so you can see. So now I'm going to take another zip tie. I'm going to go this way and then through here. And then we're going to zip it. Pull it as tight as you can. Do the same thing on this side. All right. Now we will go through and we will trim off our zip ties. And this is what we have, guys. And you're probably saying, so what the hell is it? Well, I am going to show you. Check this out. Is this not awesome, guys? It's hard for me to do backwards. What an amazing DIY. But hold on, guys, because it gets better. Let me just finish putting the rest of these bottles of paint in here. In these holes, you can fit your large bottles of paint. Now tell me this is not an awesome DIY to wrangle up all of those bottles of craft paint. Yep. I was so excited about this video. I could not wait to go to Dollar Tree and make my own. I've already made one for myself. Now I have a second one. So basically it cost, let's see, $4, $5, $6 for your paper towel holder and your napkin holders. And then if you don't have the zip ties, that's another $1.25. So $7.25 plus tax for this awesome paint organizer. Is that not amazing or what? This is one of the best DIYs that I have seen on YouTube, as far as I'm concerned, using Dollar Tree items. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe if you're not already. That's it, guys. It was that quick. Takes about 10 minutes tops to put this together. I hope you guys will give it a try. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Bye for now.